Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I'm gonna get attacked! Jessica! Holy shit! He's coming to get your arm! Oh god, no, don't fly over me! Throw it that way! Oh my god, they're so scary!
Oh my god, they're like killing each other.
No, bitch! That bitch is like, fuck that! That's my piece of bread, nigga. Oh my god!
Oh, that's so hard to get it.
Jessica, your car's gonna get picked up! Oh my god! They're like starting to swarm. Jessica, you have these things swarming. Look at this. They're everywhere. Oh my god. Because I know you have a loaf of bread. Please don't shit on me. I think I just got shit on. I got it, Jessica. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Screw this, I'm sitting in the car. Don't stand by it. Burn, car. Oh God, look at him. Just no, you should see. Look. Oh my God, just go look. Look at all those. Look at all those coming. Look at all of them. Oh my God. We are going to die. Holy Jesus. Jessica, you have the whole flock in the south here. Jessica.
This is fucking scary.
Oh my God, look at them all. Look at them all. Jessica, you have them coming from everywhere. Everywhere.
Oh my God.
Look at him. Oh my God. Look at all the birds.
Wow. That is a lot of fucking birds.
Look at them all way the fuck down there.
Wow.
Look at them
Why are there
bitches.
so many?
Because you were feeding them. Feeding them bitches bread. This is what happens. Look at all them motherfuckers. Oh God, he came really close to your window.
Oh my God.
Watch one like hit your window.
Oh my God. I'm gonna be pissed if we feed these bitches and they poop on us.
Did I get shit on? Because I feel like I got shit on.
Okay, wait for them all to like land, and I'll go out and scare them.
Okay, go. Just back straight up. Oh wait, no, because there's some behind you. Oh well, fuck it. Back straight up. Oh God, look at all. Look, they never end.
Oh my God.
They never
There's
end.
like 1,000 of them. And I go over there.
Drive through.
I don't want to like run any of them over.
Or you can forget it.
Do a good deed and then you kill one.
It's like, let me feed you, and then